GMC revealed the Sierra 1500 with the optional CarbonPro bed on March 1, 2019. The bed wasn't available at launch, though. You can't buy it now, either, but it will hit dealerships with limited availability after production starts in early June, exclusively for the Denali 1500 and AT4 1500 trims. The carbon floor and sides replace the steel panels in a normal bed, providing strength, durability, and scratch resistance and a potential 59-pound weight saving, depending on the truck's configuration. To make sure the bed had a chance, development engineers replicated extreme use scenarios like dropping 1,800-pound gravel loads, 450-pound steel drums, and cinder blocks from various heights. Because of the finer shaping area-specific strength possible with carbon fiber, the bed provides 1 cubic foot of additional payload space by having its sidewalls pushed further out. The CarbonPro bed doesn't need a bed liner, and is grained at the top for better traction but smooth on the bottom for easier hosing down and dirt removal. Tie-downs at the front of the bed work with molded indentations to hold motorcycle tires, and slots in the sidewalls hold 2x6s. The truck maker says the carbon-lined payload area confers best-in-class dent, scratch and corrosion resistance, but we suppose the nation's pickup truck army will prove that or not. The trucks likely won't have the hardest life at the start, since the Sierra Denali costs $56,790 before even a basic option like 4-wheel drive. The real test probably won't come until around 2029, when third owners begin treating their aerospace-inspired thoroughbreds like dray horses.